interrupt this program with a severe weather warning. A major blizzard is hitting the city now, with heavy snowfall expected to continue overnight. Officials warn of life-threatening conditions due to a rapid drop in temperature and severe icing. All residents are urged to stay off the roads and remain indoors. This is a dangerous and developing situation. Stay safe.
Why don't people throw away food? Hey. Oh my God. He's going to tell me. Hey, you, what's your deal? Are you God? You are? Seriously? You came down from up there? To help me? Well, come on, what are you waiting for? Let's get this show on the road. Oh, okay. This is something else. You see this? This ain't your corner store junk. This is gourmet. What? You want a piece? I don't know, pal. This seems more like a hamburger lovers kind of thing. You're more of a seed guy, right? Yeah, you wouldn't get it. All right. Don't look at me with those judgy little eyes. Fine, but just a taste. This is too good for birds.